In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional invoice template in Microsoft Word. We're going to keep this simple, practical, and polished, so by the end, you'll have a reusable invoice template that looks clean, feels consistent, and is easy to update whenever you need to send a new bill to a client. Start by opening Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, go to File, then select New. This will take you to the template gallery, where Word gives you a variety of pre-built document layouts. In the template search bar, type Invoice. This is the fastest way to find ready-made invoice designs without having to build one from scratch. Using a template saves time and also helps make sure your document already includes the basic structure most invoices need. When the search results appear, look through the available options and choose a clean corporate design. Try to pick something that feels professional and uncluttered, especially if you want the invoice to be easy for clients to read. A simple layout often works better than one with too many visual elements. Once you find the template you like, click Create. Word will open that template as a new document so you can begin editing it. Next, customize the look of the template so it matches your brand identity. Go to the Design tab, then open Colors. From here, you can adjust the primary accent colors used throughout the document. Choose colors that align with your business style, but keep readability in mind. Strong contrast and a professional palette usually work best. You can also update the fonts if needed, so the invoice feels more consistent with your other business materials. This small design step helps your invoice look more intentional and branded instead of generic. Now replace the placeholder text with your actual business details. Update the company name, address, and any other business information shown in the template. Then fill in your preferred payment methods so clients clearly understand how to pay you. After that, edit the line item section with the products or services you typically include. If you plan to reuse this template often, it's a good idea to leave in a general structure that can be quickly customized for each client later. Once everything looks the way you want, save the file as a Word template by choosing the .text format. This is important because it allows you to open the file in the future and generate a fresh invoice document without overwriting your original template. And that's it. You now have a professional invoice template in Word that you can reuse anytime, helping you save time and keep your documents looking consistent.